Okay, so now we will discuss about virus definition and updates. So virus definition contain the information about malware which can be used to identify security threats. While scanning a computer, virus definition tell the antivirus software to recognize viruses. When antivirus software is installed, a file containing a set of virus definition file is also installed. Okay, so here we talk about virus definition. Here we have example like, okay, here we have virus definition. This virus definition installed with your antivirus, in which we have malware, worms, adware, spam and ads. So this is your computer system in which we have worms and ads. So when you scan your system, so then virus definition match the viruses with your system and then give you a notification. Like here we have two viruses in your system, worms and ads. So virus definition detect worms and ads and give you a notification like worms 00111 ads webnet. So now this is depends on the user. You can simply click the viruses, remove the viruses and delete the viruses from your system. So this is about your virus definition. So virus definition is available in your antivirus software that match the viruses with your system and then give you a notification. Okay, now next we have, to protect the computer from the most current viruses, user must update antivirus software regularly. So now here we have one more thing, like you have to update your antivirus on daily basis. So like in this example here we have updated, like you update your antivirus definition on 18 March 2020. And today when you scan your system, so now here we have one more virus in your system, that is Trojan horse. But Trojan horse is not present in your virus definition. So you are unable to get the notification for Trojan horse. So then in this way Trojan horse destroy your files and damage your system. So for this purpose you have to update your virus definition. Once you update your virus definition, so the new virus file is also installed in your system that match with your computer system and then get you notification and you can easily delete the viruses. So this is all about updation. So you must update your antivirus on daily basis or once a week. So in this paragraph we have all these things. So now antivirus update is an upgradation of already installed antivirus software. So in this way your software is going to be updated. Okay, so now here we have question number 5, fifth part. What is meant by virus definition and updates? Why they are important? Explain. So answer complete. Virus definition and updates contains the information up till downloading process.